Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to cursor jumps while typing fix. So guys, if you want to cursor jumps while typing fix, so very easy. Firstly, click on start, scroll down, click on Windows System, click on Control Panel. After click on mouse, click on point option, and here option hide pointer while typing. So check this box. Click on apply, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to cursor jumps while typing fix. Very easy and quickly method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for the latest update.